A lot of people contact us on social media and about their lawyer, about the divorce process, asking, why is the divorce taking so long? What can we do about it? The reality is sometimes it's the lawyer and sometimes it's the process. What do I mean by that? I mean that sometimes the justice system in South Africa, due to court rules being backed up, due to procedures that needed to have been followed, etc., can delay the divorce process. And that's got nothing to do with your lawyer. Another factor is your spouse or your ex-spouse for that matter. Are they complying or are they making the process more difficult? If they challenge every single point, that's going to make the process longer. So these are the factors to bear in mind. It's not always your lawyer's fault. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. In my experience, uncontested divorce is the way to go.